Creating images one by one is slow and exhausting. But what if you could generate images in bulk automatically in minutes? In this video, I will show you how to use Google Flow AI to create multiple images fast, easy, and fully automated. Let's dive in. Okay, to create your content in bulk, like hundreds of images using Google Flow, the first thing we need to do is to add extension to the Chrome browser. You must have a Chrome browser. Then the next thing we do is go to Chrome Web Store. Then you search for Toflow. This is it. Toflow extension. You click on it. Toflow Auto VEO and Nano Banana Pro on Google Flow. You can see this Add to Chrome. Then you click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, add extension. You can see it's added already. Then the next thing is to go to Google Flow AI. Google Flow AI, click on it. You click on Flow. Then it brings to the interface create with Flow. You must have registered with your Gmail, so it automatically takes you to Google Flow. Then new project. Oh yes, we are there already. You can see the Nano Banana 2 options here. You can see the image, the aspect ratio is 16:9. How many images do I need per prompt? I need one, and you have to choose between Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. I'm choosing Nano Banana 2 because this one is completely free. So now that we are here, so the first thing we need to do is we have the script already. Then we have character definitions of the characters that are in the script. We have two characters. Number one, the first one is Kofi, and the second one is Amina. In case you're writing a story and you have several scripts and image prompt for each script. Then I click on it, I paste it here. Then I click on submit to generate the character for Kofi. Then the second one is Amina. Amina is also a character in the script we're about to. Okay, I'm doing this because it is a script for a story, so I need to highlight the characters first before I proceed to generate all the images I need for the content in bulk. I click on this, I generate the other one for Amina. Okay, wow, this is the character for Kofi. Now I have that of Kofi. Good one. I can choose to rename it Kofi. Then I save it. Yeah, good one. Let's wait for that of Amina. Yes, this is Amina. This is nice. Okay, rename it Amina. Okay, Amina. So I have these two characters now. Let me download each. Download this one and these three dots and download the other one for Kofi. Okay, now it's time for us to generate all the things that we need, all the images that we need for the story in bulk. Without using a manual process, the first thing we're going to go to what? Extension. This is the extension icon. You click on this extension, you click on it, you search for Toflow. This is Toflow. You click on it. Good one. You sign in again with the same Gmail. You already signed in. Yes, we are there already. Oh, this is nice. Okay, this is good. This is great. So the first thing we're going to do is we see prompt here. This is a panel. You can see the panel here. We have control queue, gallery, we have library, we have every other ones. We have gallery, we have queues, and we have control. So we are using the control. We are choosing image mode. The mode is image. We want to create images in bulk. So I have the script already, and the script contains 20 different prompts about Amina and Kofi. 20 different prompts. You can make it 100. 100 different prompts. But it contains 20 different prompts. Now what I'm going to do is to click on this and paste it. 20. I paste it here. I have pasted it here. You can see. Okay, it's already 20 prompts. It's already highlighting that it's 20 prompt. So let me not let me save time. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, you know that we have the character definitions already. Okay, you know, we have the mode image. You are not creating the video. We have model. Is it Nano Banana Pro you are using, or Nano Banana 2? Nano Banana 2. Then we have landscape portrait. I'm going to choose landscape. Images per prompt. Is it one or twice? One is okay. We have reference images up to 10. You have to upload up to 10. I have 2 reference images for it. So click on add reference image, upload images. Yes, I've uploaded the first image, the first reference image, the character. The second one is Amina. Okay. Then I click on done. That's all. I've uploaded the 2 reference image. So I have the prompt also. The next thing is to come here, image quality, 2K upscale or standard. 2K upscale is okay. Auto download video. We are not downloading videos. We are not downloading videos. We are not using video. It's auto download images. You automatically download the images and file naming. How do you want this uh, uh, interface to name the file? Is it prompt 1, prompt 2, or 001, 002? Okay, let's click on this. And the next thing we are doing now is to go ahead and generate it. You can see as the images are being created, it automatically download all the images. You can see here, it will download all the images at once. Are automatically downloaded here. You can see they are automatically downloaded. They are automatically downloaded. You can see automatically downloaded. Automatically the story and the storyline. You look for the numbers and you recreate them. For example, look at this one, number 12. You know, for example, okay, this one, look at this one, 2 of them here look like white, and they are not African in looking. You can see now, you can see everything automatically downloaded. Thank you very much. That is how you can use Toflow extension to automatically generate your content in bulk using Google Flow AI. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel.